Hi loves! Today Oksana Starling is helping me to refresh my makeup routine. She also gives me skin and makeup tips, which I'm sure would be useful for all of you.
Alright, let's begin. Great makeup starts with great skin. I start with an eye cream to address dryness and dehydration under your eyes.
Yes, it's actually one of my biggest concerns.
Yes, I highly recommend getting a really good eye cream and use it twice a day, in the morning and in the evening. I will follow eye cream with a vitamin-enriched serum and a collagen moisturizer. That was a really nice skincare that you really liked.
Yes, I did love it a lot.
It really made a difference in your skin, made the skin look plump, supple, beautiful, moisturized.
Yes, it did, and it was great to get a little bit of massage.
Yes, very nice little massage, of course. Also, don't forget about your lips. I'm using collagen moisturizer on your lips as well.
That's great to know.
Next step is primer. So primer will make your foundation stay on longer and better, and also will give you a nice glow.
And we all love the glow.
We all want the glow, yes. I'm using Charlotte Tilbury Wonder Glow. Hey, it's in the name.
Yes.
Your face would be wonder glowing. Primer is an important part of the makeup routine. Primers can address multiple concerns of the skin. It can fill in the pores, it can minimize oiliness on the skin, it can definitely improve the texture of the skin. Next step is the foundation. Charlotte Tilbury Magic Foundation number 4 is your perfect match. This is a beautiful foundation that is a full coverage, but it still is a very light and breathable formula, and all my clients really appreciate that.
And do I have to use a brush?
Not necessarily. You can definitely use fingers to apply a foundation. You can use brush, beauty blender, sponge, just whatever suits you.
I actually prefer to use my fingers. Is it okay?
Completely acceptable. Use your fingers. You won't have to wash the brush or the beauty blender afterwards, so minus one step.
Yes.
Next step is a concealer. So Radda, you have dark circles, and that is one of your biggest concerns.
It's true, yeah.
So to correct the dark circles, I will start with the orange color corrector to correct the blue under your eyes. I will follow with a concealer to conceal and brighten under eye area. To set our foundation and concealer, we use a powder.
Oh, I didn't know that I need to use a powder under my eyes too.
Yes, please use the powder to ensure that your concealer stays on all day.
Great tip. And look at the result.
Beautiful. After all that hard work, we deserve champagne break.
Yes, we do.
I think every lesson digests better with some bubbly.
Definitely.
Next step is contouring. Now, contouring doesn't have to be complicated.
So, how do I contour my round face?
To visually slim down your face, apply bronzer under and slightly onto your jawline. Blend into your neck. To define your cheekbones, swipe bronzer in the hollows of your cheeks. Start at the top of your ear and swipe halfway down towards your mouth and blend it up towards your temples. And blush. I love blush. Blush makes everyone look pretty and fresh. I'm using Charlotte Tilbury blush by a wonderful name, Ecstasy.
Ooh.
I'm applying blush on the apples of your cheeks and directly on your cheekbone, blending upward towards your temples, right into that bronzer.
Oh, wow. The result looks amazing already. I love it. My makeup looks light and fresh.
Beautiful. I start doing your eye makeup with my secret weapon, cream eyeshadows. These beautiful shimmering cream shadows by, guess who? Charlotte Tilbury.
Da 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 da.
They even out the eyelid skin tone, brighten your eyes, and serve as a perfect base for powder shadows. For shadows, I'm using L'Oreal Highlight and Contour Palette. This beautiful rose gold highlighter is absolutely gorgeous on your green eyes.
Wow.
I love this palette. You can highlight, contour, bronze, and use it as eyeshadows. How amazing is that? I highlight the inner corners of your eyes and brow bone with the light cream highlighter. I also swipe same rose gold color on the lower lash line. Oh, it's so beautiful. Shimmering shadows are universally flattering.
You know, usually I don't use eyeshadows because I feel like it makes me look older, but this seems easy and pretty.
It makes you look bright, fresh, and wide awake.
Wow, I love it!
Eyeliner makes eyes even more expressive. So Radda's signature look is just winged eyeliner on the outer corner of her eyes. She doesn't darken her lash line. So today I'm gonna try something different since we're creating a new look for Radda. So here I'm using brown pencil to darken your upper and lower lash line.
And why do you use brown, not black? Or...
A great question. So brown color will create softer look, more appropriate for the daytime makeup that we're doing right now.
Okay, makes sense. How about another sip of champagne?
Always.
Yes.
Mascara changes everything. It really completes the look. Don't be shy to use a lot of mascara on your eyelashes. Start at the very bottom of your lashes and work all the way up with the wand in the oscillating motion. I'm using my favorite mascara at the moment, Unlimited by L'Oreal. This mascara builds volume and length very quickly in one coat. Don't forget about your brows. They are the frames of your face. It's super important to have well-defined brows and give them the right shape and color. I'm using Maybelline Brow Pencil Total Temptation to fill your brows in, and I brush them to soften the lines and to set the hair in place.
And why all this makeup have so sexy names?
Right?
I know.
Well, I think the cosmetic industry is seducing us into buying more product.
They probably do, huh?
Okay, why don't you take a look at your new eye makeup?
Wow, it's beautiful! Yay!
And that's the reaction I love to see.
Cheers to my new look!
I love making women happy. And finally, lipstick. My favorite trick in the book is to highlight the cupid's bow before applying lipstick. It creates appearance of fuller lips, draws attention, and creates more definition and brightness in your face. I also slightly powder your lips before using a lip liner. The lip pencil outlines your lips and helps lipstick stay longer, better, and within contour. To complete your daytime look, I chose Laura Mercier Extreme Matte Lipstick in Fresh. It's a beautiful mauvey berry shade that looks fantastic with your green eyes. Because of its matte formula, it's a long-lasting lipstick. You won't have to reapply it for 4 or 5 hours.
Wow, it's great news. I'm always looking for long-lasting lipstick.
Last touch of bronzer on your neck, and voila, your new daytime look.
I never had my eyes done like that. I love it.
It is so easy to change your daytime makeup into a great evening look. All we have to do is add black eyeliner and a brighter lipstick. Now, Radda is not a stranger to a bright statement lipstick.
Yes, it's actually my signature look and I love it.
And I love it too. So I chose lipstick by Charlotte Tilbury, Love Liberty, for your evening signature bold look. This deep berry color makes the green in your eyes pop even more and makes your lips irresistibly sexy. To make your eyes even more expressive for your evening look, I'm using liquid eyeliner by Stila. Now, when you use liquid eyeliner, don't worry about creating one continuous line. Rather, draw in short strokes for control and accuracy.
Oh, it's a great advice because I do have shaky hands and I'm struggling to draw a straight line. Thank you.
You're welcome. So, are you ready to see your new signature evening look?
Yes, I am. Wow, I feel like a sexy siren. I love it. That's it for today. If you liked the video, show your love. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I have a lot of interesting projects coming up.